Thank you very much for finding me online. If you watched my first video already on how to locate the interest rates, if you haven't seen it, the link is below. And this is the kind of the second part of that video. If you don't see the interest rates that appeal to you, that are not within your budget, whether it be a purchase or a refinance, go to our rate tracker site. I'm going to have the link below. There are three ways you can track interest rates. Targeted, personalized rates that you receive daily, which not a lot of people have. It's either target rates or generic rates. And generic rates is not, it's just throwing a rate out there. I'll show you what that means. But if you're looking to purchase a property or a refinance a property and you want a specific rate to fit within your budget, and you and I can talk about that on a purchase, saying the rate needs to be X for you to be able to afford a home, we go to targeted interest rates. And this will be also on a refinance. So you're doing a purchase or you're doing a refinance. Okay, right now I'm just going to do a purchase. So we're going to purchase the loan amount. We want a loan amount of about $400,000. We want to waive escrows, yes or no. Waiving escrows, which means that you want your property tax and insurance included in your mortgage payment. You want to waive it? No. Your credit score, like I said before in the first video, if you have like a 725, you're between 720 and a 739. You're in that same bracket. So you can have a 738. You got the same interest rate as a 720. So we're going to put a 720. We want to do a conventional program. You can do conventional, FHA, jumbo, VA, USDA, and you can call me. We can discuss which one, because it's really going to be based on what your credit score is going to be. Let's do conventional. If you're a veteran, put in that you're a VA. Okay. We want a 30-year fixed rate conventional. If you put an FHA here, it's going to give you all the FHA options. So we're just going to do conventional. 30-year fixed, targeted interest rate. Let's say I want a 4.99 or whatever the rate would be. Sales price, let's say it's $450 on the sales price. We're going to put some money down. It's a single family home, condo, or townhouse. We need to know these because the interest rate is going to be different between the condo, a duplex, and a triplex. So make sure what you're looking at, you name it correctly, because the property type will determine that interest rate. We're going to do single family. We're going to do a primary residence. If you're looking to purchase a second home, which is a vacation home, a weekend home, put that in. Or I'm looking for an investment opportunity. We'll do primary. Let's do Arizona. And you need to know the state, because it's going to pull all the counties in that state, because some these counties will have different county loan limits, not purchase limits, but loan limits. So we'll need to know that. Maricopa County, which is Phoenix. I'm going to put my first name here. We're not going to spam you or anything like that, but it does need your name and email address so we can send you over an email on when the rates get there, and also a confirmation email, and I'll show you that as well. So here's all the information you need. And we're not going to spam you. We're not ask for your phone number. It just needs some filters on where to send it. And we're going to go points. We're going to go 0 points, which means it's not going to cost anything to get. I'm going to press submit. I'm not going to do this because I already do a rate tracker and I don't want to opt out because it has my email on it. So I'm going to press submit, and what's going to happen is you're going to get this email right here. Okay, I blocked out the recipient's name, but it's going to say to you. So whatever email you put there, it's going to have here. Thank you for signing up for the rate tracker. Until we verify that your email, we're not going to send you anything because we don't want to spam you. You're going to click here and press OK, go ahead, and you agree to everything. And that's going to be the rate tracker. Okay, it comes right from us. You have to click this link to OK, getting the rate tracker. See here, the code? It's a verification code. We're not going to spam you. As soon as the interest rate hits this 4.99, you will get notified, and I'll get notified that based on the filters, this is what the interest rate's going to be based on the filters that you put in. Then you'll be notified. You don't have to worry about if the rates are going to hit that low. Our system's going to tell you that. When your rate hits that number, the interest rate that you put in for the targeted rates, you're going to get this email here that's going to say rates have dropped to your target. So when whatever the interest rate you put on this targeted here, right here, you're going to get this email that says rates have dropped to whatever interest rate you put in with those filters. So you'll get notified of that. So it's easy. You'll get notified of that email that the rate has dropped. You won't have to worry about it. If you don't receive an email from us, the rate hasn't gotten there yet based on the current market conditions. But you will receive this email once that interest rate hits that target amount that you put in. So no spamming, and you'll get this email. We got one of the lowest interest rates in the industry. You don't have to call 20 different lenders, 5 different lenders. Obviously, do your competitive shopping to 3 to 4 lenders, but they're probably going to ask you and be on the phone with you the same things here that I've asked you in this 1-2 bucket. And I'm not going to ask any of, they may not ask you any of that. They may ask for everything for that on their online system. So I've seen a lot, I filled them out, is how far can I get until I have to put in personal information before they give me the rate. So I have to put my name, sometimes my address on a refinance, email, phone number before I get the interest rate, and they'll email it to me. Next thing you know, I'm getting a bunch of calls. We're not doing that here. If you watch my last video, I'll have the link below on searching our interest rates. Same thing, it doesn't even ask for your name or email address. It just puts your filter in, and I'll put that link below on that one. So this is a targeted rate. Okay, so press submit, you get this email. We won't send you anything until you verify it right here. Okay, once you verify it, you're not going to get a daily email until that rate hits that targeted amount that you want it to be. Like this video, give me a thoughts, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, a share, a like. If you don't want to fill this out, give me a call. We'll fill it out for you. I'll have a conversation with you. But this is a rate tracker. It's free for anybody to use. We're going to email you as soon as the rate gets to where you want it to be, and you'll be notified on a home purchase. Thank you very much for taking the time. If you need to watch the previous video on how to find what our rates are, I'm going to have that video linked below for you to watch it too. Thank you very much. Give me a like, share, comment, and a thumbs up. I look forward to hearing from you. My name is Nathan Rufty. All my contact information is going to be below. Thank you.